Hi, and welcome to another episode of Type with Me. This week we will see the npm Desktop Manager. It's a very cool tool that I came across lately, and I just want to show you how this works and what you can do with it. So when we search for it in Google, npm Desktop Manager, you will come to this page, and here you can download it for Mac, Linux and Windows, right? So I already did that for you. So let me show you how this works. So when we open up NDM, we will see this as a result, right? So you see a very empty application. My apologize that the font size is very small, but I can't zoom in. That's not possible, but okay, we will manage that, right? So when we click on global, he will load our global packages. And you will see that every package has a current, a wanted, a latest, and an environment, right? And I think that's also the reason why it takes a little bit, because he needs to find the latest versions on npm. But okay, here we are. So when we want to add a package, we can say yeoman, for example. And then we can install yeoman. You can say here install, and now we will install globally the yeoman generator. I also can uninstall, for example, funny. So I will uninstall funny. So now yeoman generator is being installed globally and funny is being uninstalled, right? You can also say to upgrade or update to the latest version, or say install the latest version, or install a certain version. I think when you click on install a certain version, you can select a version and then you can say install, which is also very great, right? All right. Another great thing is to say that you want to update the npm version. So you can do that by clicking update npm. You have also Doctor. So here you can run a Doctor which does npm ping and other certain checkings on your npm, right? So check that out. So another thing that you can do is to add projects. So we can add here a project. So in my case, I will add here monorepo. And I can add another project. And here you get finished updating selected packages, for example. When you want to update certain things, you get also notifications, right? So that's also a very great feature of NDM. If we go to, for example, this one, and I open it. So you can click on this. You can say I want to have the latest version of Lerna being installed in that repository. So you will do that, and then you will get a notification when that's been done, right? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you are thrilled to check this tool out by yourself. So I see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see other nice, great tools coming up, or other nice new learnings with TypeScript, web development, and node.js, and all these kind of stuff. Thank you very much.